What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. First ride of 2018, kinfolk. I'm a little embarrassed because I should have already been on the bike. It's what, the 7th, the 6th or the 7th, something like that today. And yeah, I should have already been on the bike, man, but today is the first ride of 2018. And I got my brother-in-law here with me, and then my brother there. We're headed to a new little restaurant, man. It's called Trik's Bar and Grill out in Tomball, Texas, man. And the way I found these guys was I watched this show called Texas Metal, and Texas Metal is a show about a company, Houston-based company called Extensive. I'll leave both of their links in the description down below, the little for their websites and stuff. But I found this restaurant because that show actually built the owners a trailer to haul his custom bike on. And so that show, Texas Metal, is on Discovery Channel. So if y'all want to check it out, man, y'all go check it on Discovery Channel, look it up. And man, it's a cool show. The owner of Extensive is from Houston. He shops here in Houston, and hopefully I can make a ride out there one day to go check the shop out itself. But we are headed to this restaurant, Bar and Grill, called Trik, T-R-I-X, Bar and Grill. So my wife and my mother-in-law are back there in the Jeep. They're following us, but so we're headed over there, kinfolk. We're gonna try it out, man. I'm hoping that the owners are gonna be there. I would love to get a quick interview with them, just to go over, you know, the restaurant and what made them open it, and you know, all that good stuff, man. So hopefully we'll be able to go over all that with them if they're there. If they're not there, I'm still gonna, you know, we'll do our little review and everything, and we'll do a review and everything, and go ahead and see how the food is. From what I hear, man, it's supposed to be really good. They've got a couple of entrees that I heard are pretty kick-ass, so we're gonna go try it out and see what it's all about, man. So we're headed there, and we'll see y'all when we get there. Also, kinfolk, man, I'm gonna throw this in here real quick. The ride coming up in April, y'all, to Kansas, Salina, I'm sorry, Fat Boy R6. Salina, Kansas, y'all. We are going to Salina in April. It's going to be, we are getting there April 6th, which is a Friday. We will be riding here from Texas up to Kansas. So if there's anybody in Texas that wants to tag along, I'll have stuff on Instagram as far as, you know, more updates when it gets closer in time. You can leave a comment here. That way we can get everything set up, man, and head out there. So we'll be there on the 6th, which is a Friday. The actual ride that we are setting up is going to be on the 7th, and then we will be headed back home on the 8th. So if y'all are interested, man, if y'all are anywhere around Salina, Kansas, make it out there, kinfolk. There's going to be a ton of us out there, man. Some other motor vloggers, you know. I'll put a picture of the flyer right here. So that there is basically the main ones that we have all gotten together and discussed this whole thing and set it up. And so that's why there's only those of us on this flyer. But man, we've been talking to other motor vloggers, and some of them are saying they're gonna come. So hopefully we'll get more than just us as far as motor vloggers, and hopefully a lot of y'all, our subscribers, will show up, man. It's gonna be a blast. I'm excited. I can't wait, y'all. It's gonna be killer. So Texas, my kinfolk here in Texas, man, let's do this, y'all. Let's get as many people as we can from Texas to ride up with us. Later on, I'll put the exact route we're going, and then that way, if you're in Texas, you know, you can meet us on the way. You know, like I said, just get in contact with me. We'll discuss it, and we'll see where we can meet up, and that way we can all ride from Texas, man, up to Kansas. And kinfolk, I want them to be looking around. Your people from Kansas, Fat Boy R6, I want them to be looking around and saying, what the hell? Did we move? Are we in Texas? That's how many Texas license plates I want down there, kinfolk. I want us to be killing the streets of Kansas. So let's make that happen, man. Like I said, if you're interested, just get with me, y'all. Either on Instagram or here on YouTube, man. Just send me a message. And once it gets closer, I'll definitely put more information as far as time, meetup place, and all that good stuff. But it is for sure happening, y'all. It is a for sure deal. So let's make that happen, y'all. Haven't caught any of our live streams, man, here lately. We've been doing a couple live streams on YouTube, man, you know, just having a good old time, man, just hanging out. It's usually me, Fatboy R6, Road King Jonesy, 6-pin, Cincy Moto, MLC Rider, every now and then Salvadorian Boy will be on there, man. So it'll be on one of our channels. So if y'all haven't subscribed to their channels, I'll leave their links down below also, man. And click on their channels, hit all the notification bells so you will always know whenever we are uploading videos or we have the live stream running, man. So yeah, y'all can come and you know, on the side chat, hang out with us, man, and we just have a good time, man. We have a good time. We just you know, we act silly, you know what I'm saying? So come check it out. Here it is, kinfolk. Trik's Bar and Grill. Old Blue, my brother-in-law, and the wife. So let's go inside and see what they are all about. Kinfolk, man, we just got done from over there, and to be honest, y'all, I was a little disappointed, man. We talked to I believe it was the head chef, and then we also talked to the waitress. A little disappointed with the food. The seasoning wasn't there. They had my brother got the Beast, which is a big old sampler platter. Now that there was enormous. There was a lot of food on that. It looked really good. The only thing my brother said was that maybe they should include some buffalo wings or something, you know. It was mainly all fried foods. The burgers, my wife, my mother-in-law, and my brother-in-law all had the avocado burger. Oh shoot, the burger itself was enormous. The patty was really freaking big, and the only thing was they said that the patty didn't have no seasoning. So and then we all had steak fries. The steak fries, again, just, you know, didn't have no seasoning. I had the boneless wings, and they actually looked like just little pieces of chicken tenders, man, and they weren't big. I mean, they didn't. It was $14 for my platter, and the chicken tenders were actually really small. Was a lot of batter, not a lot of meat, like, you know, most wing places have. I don't know, you know, honestly, you know, it's their first restaurant from what I hear. They also own Trik and Out Trucks and a construction company. So this is their first restaurant, bar and grill type deal that they've opened up. And you know, I'll give them another chance, you know what I'm saying? You know, I've been to a lot of restaurants where when they first open, you know, there's a learning curve, you know what I'm saying? And so they've got to, you know, figure out what the customers are looking for. And you know, there was only one waitress there slash bartender, so she was all over the place. You know, she tried to help us as much as she could. Very nice girl, but like I said, man, you know, a little disappointed with the food as far as, you know, the flavor and what we ended up getting, or what I got for the price I paid. But again, I will give them another chance. I'll give them another try, and see where it goes from there, man. You know, everybody needs, you know, room. You know, everybody has room to improve, especially restaurants. Restaurants, you know, they're hard. It's a hard business to run, man. You know, a lot of different people come through there, and there's a lot of people you have to try to, you know, satisfy. So, and everybody's different. But you know, Trik Bar and Grill, man, I really hope, you know, y'all don't take this the wrong way. It's just giving my honest opinion, man. If y'all are watching this, you know, I will give you another try. I'll come back and in about a month or so, once the newness calms down a little bit, and see where it goes from there, man. So I appreciate it, kinfolk. Thank y'all for watching, man. Again, stay tuned for on my Instagram for the trip coming up in August, the motovlogger meetup. I'm not August. Trip coming up in April, and make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man, and follow me on Instagram, which is @Knuckles, and or @knucklestv. And as always, kinfolk, make sure if y'all haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, man. Make sure you hit that notification bell after you hit the subscribe button. And kinfolk, just remember, man, you're always welcome here at Knuckles TV. Knuckles out.